I took a yard sale find, this little wooden basket. I painted it up, and I'm using up my stash like I told you in a previous video. So I had these Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I'm taking off the bottom because I don't want that on there. And I'm going to stick it down in the bottom there into the styrofoam that I left in there. I was out garage selling with my cousin, and we just happened to hit this lady, and she's getting ready to close up for the day, and she said, "Take it." I don't want it. Take it. And I thought, great. So you can always find some good finds. And so I thought, well, I'm just going to paint it up and make it a Christmas little thing. And so I'm going to put this in my bathroom on the countertop. I don't have a huge bathroom, but this will fit perfect, and it'll add a little color there when people are washing their hands and stuff. So I'd like to try to make every room have a little bit of Christmas cheer in it. So now I'm just going to add greenery that I had. And I believe I got this greenery off a pick at Walmart. And I just kind of tore it apart because I like the fluffy greenery of it. It makes great for arrangements. So I'm just going to keep placing the greenery where I want. And also this fluffy kind of greenery covers up the styrofoam at the bottom. Just a little hint there. And just keep playing around to where you get what you want in there. You don't need a lot of it, just enough. This greenery that I'm using has a lot of bend to it, so I like that. I can mold it where I want it to go. And just play around. Then I'm going to add some color here in a little bit. You can use whatever color berries you would like to use. I like using the red and the burgundies. The red against the green in that, and the white just gives a really pretty pop of color. Whatever you have on hand, use that. If you don't have anything, then I suggest go to the Dollar Tree. They've got all kinds of pretty stuff that you can do. If you really want some really pretty stuff that's on a budget, like I would go and get some of the picks from Walmart. Some of them you can get pretty cheap there, and you can just tear them apart and get what you need off of them. That's what I do. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just playing around, and like I said, if you don't like the way I'm doing mine, you can always do yours whatever way you want. If you have a basket at home and you're like, hey, this is a good idea, I could, paint that up and use that basket that's been sitting around, or somebody may have given you something. But see, you just play around. I'm not sure where my front's going to be, probably right here, because I'm going to place that glittery ornament right in the front, and when the light hits it, it's really pretty. Like I said, you can do however you want to do it. You may not like that, but like I said, play around, have fun. I suggest if you have something like this laying around, the basket or something, do something like this. I mean, give it a new beginning, right? And now this is the berries, and you can get these berries at Dollar Tree, and they are styrofoam, so you will see here in a minute where the top of it come off and you can see the white. But that's an easy fix, guys. Just take some hot glue and pop another berry off and stick it on there, and boom, you're good. I might, still have some that I can see, but I can put something there or fix it later. And I do think once I get this going, I did see some, but that's okay. I'll go in there and put something there and fix it. Not a problem. Just have fun, guys. If any of you have any suggestions on some things you'd like to see us do, please leave it in the comments, because we'd love to try anything you guys have, any kind of suggestions. We're always looking for new ideas. If I'm capable of doing it, which I'm pretty capable of doing a lot, I think we all are once we put our mind to it. So, and Patty and me together, well, we'll come up with something. Now I'm just using a frosted greenery leaf that I got from Walmart. I pulled it apart from a pick, and I'm just going to place it in there because it gives it a nice little frosty little sparkle when the light hits it. And then I'm just going to, keep putting my greenery where I feel I need it. And then once I get this in there, I'll probably put a little bit of a sparkle of the eucalyptus, which is eucalyptus. I'm not sure where I got it. It's so pretty when the light hits it. But I don't want to overdo this with too much sparkle. So I don't think I'm going to put a lot of that in there. And here I am. This is well, maybe I'm not going to. I'm not done putting nope, there it is. I'm going to put my eucalyptus in there. And I only put one or two little sprigs here and there, and that's it. That's all you need. Like I said, I don't know if I got that at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. But here you go, guys. I just think it looks really, really cute. And like I said, I might put a bow on the side, make a bow and put on there. Okay, we're back. We're finished. It's real simple. We're all done. Very cute, easy to do. Something puts a little decoration in your house. Nothing to it. Just simple. Things I had laying around, I just made use. I think it's going to be super cute in my bathroom. So please try doing some of these. I think you'll really enjoy it. Hi. On this little basket that we are doing, I'm going to be doing another video on a sleigh that you can get at the dollar or at the Dollar Tree. I took the top part off of the sleigh and I thought, you know what? Because I was disassembling some stuff on it and I thought, you know what? I'm not throwing this away. And I thought, yeah, that would be so cute. Just put on there like that. There it is. I think it'd come out really cute putting that on there, give it a little something, something. So, never throw anything away because you never know what you might need it for. At least I'm one of those people that don't. I like to repurpose as much as I can. I just want to show you what I did.